Next, I want to set up a payment stream. So I'm going to go into our Apollo Pay app, which is currently under apps, and I'm going to create a new pay stream. I'll call it my payroll, and you can ignore some of the debug information here at the bottom. And I need to create the schedule for each payment. So let's say I have 2 developers on my team. Again, I'm using the same 2 dummy addresses here. And I'm going to, for the purposes of the demo, let's pay them, let's say 10 Osmo over the course of 1 hour. So we'll be able to see the pay stream, kind of running quickly. And I'm going to choose the end date as 3/39. That's close enough. Same thing here. Choose an end date that's going to be today at around 3:40. Looks good. So now each of these developers are going to have access to claim 10 Osmo over the course of this hour. So the amount of claimable Osmo is going to be accumulating, and then at the end of the hour, that full 10 will be available to them. They can claim at any time during the time frame, but it's going to be accumulating at a rate that will essentially allow them to have access to that 10 Osmo over the course of 1 hour. I'm going to go to the next step. Now I need to fund this new pay contract. So because we have 10 and 10, we're going to fund it with 20 Osmo from our multisig. And now I can review. I've got my payroll funding with 20 Osmo, and here are the 2 pay recipients. And I can verify that I didn't make a mistake on data entry, and we're looking good. I'm going to go ahead and submit and approve that in my Kepler wallet, and that's going to create it as a proposal. So again, in the multi-sig context, everyone would need to pass this proposal, but I can view the message and I can decode it here in the interface, and I can see the actual contract message where we're going to create these payments for these recipients. We're going to initiate the safe product based on the starting time and distribution time. Everything here looks good. Here's my initial funds. I'm going to go ahead and execute, and this is going to actually instantiate the pay stream. So it's going to actually create the pay stream contract. It's already done, and there it goes. So you can see I've got now my pay stream, and I can actually watch the Osmo ticking up in real time. So because there's a little bit of a discrepancy on the start date here, you can see it's already accumulated 3.14 Osmo, which is claimable. The wallet I'm connected with is one of the members here. I could also choose to modify this. So if I wanted to, I could add another recipient. I could add another wallet that I want to send money to, again, specifying the payment schedule. Or if I wanted to give somebody a raise, for example, let's say myself, I want to increase the rate at which my Osmo is accumulating. So I'm going to go ahead and add this payment, and I'm going to specify my own wallet address again. And let's add another 10 to that over a very similar 1 hour time frame. And it'll be ending around 3:40. Review and create. So now this is the proposed changes to my pay stream. You can see I've already got the existing pay stream here, but now I'm adding this additional payment. And what will happen is once I submit and this proposal gets approved, it will actually combine those 2 pay items. So here's my proposal. Again, I can view it. Everyone on the multisig can modify and vote on it. And once it gets passed and executed, now that wallet will be getting paid essentially twice as fast. So it has been passed. I'm going to jump back to the app and look at my payroll, and now I can see that again this one is accumulating twice as fast. I can actually sit and watch it. So it's kind of cool, and what it allows your team to do is, at any time they can go and claim their own salary, and also be able to see their salary accumulating in real time, which is kind of a neat feature, kind of like the concept of streaming money. The last and most important feature is any member of the pay contract, those recipients here can navigate to this page and they can choose to claim their pay. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. Right now, my wallet balance is at $130.05. We're going to go ahead and claim. And again, ignore that. I believe that might just be a bug. Let's try it one more time. Yep. There we go. I think it went through. Reconnect and now it didn't refresh my wallet balance initially from when I funded the wallet, but you can see it's added the additional Osmo here. If I refresh the page, I should see the updated claim amount here as well. There we go. So now I can see I've claimed the 3.52 out of the available, and just like that, again, your teams can have access to secure streaming money in a way that is completely managed by the multi-sig. I can see the pay contract details and have complete control over how this pay gets distributed through a team proposed interface. Hopefully this has been helpful. Again, this is still a beta version of the app. We're constantly improving it, but please reach out to us if you have questions. Thank you.